Hello everyone, my name is Asia Ali and today I am going to show you all how to install Windows Server 2008. But before we get started, you must first download Oracle VirtualBox. This is the environment that will allow us to run the Windows operating systems. So we're going to open Google, type in Oracle VirtualBox, click on the first link, and we will download VirtualBox 5.2 platform, and we will choose Windows first since we are using Windows. But I already have my VirtualBox downloaded on my machine, so I'm just going to open that. And this is the place, the environment where virtualization will take place and where we will download the server 2008. So in order to do that, I'm going to click the option New. Next, I'm going to search for what I'm going to install, which is Windows Server 2008. And we see it automatically comes up here. Now I'm going to click Next. And here we can allocate how much RAM we want to use. And I'm going to give mine about 2 gigabytes of RAM. Click Next. Next, we have to create a virtual hard disk. And this allows a section of our actual physical hard drive to be used only for this virtual machine. So I'm going to click Create. I'm going to use VDI, click Next, and I will leave dynamically allocated since it will not use all of the space all at once. So I'll click Next. This is where you want the virtual machine to be installed, the folder. So I'm going to click Create. And here we have it. It's been created. But we have to do one final step. And we'll go to Settings. Then we'll go on to Network. Then we will leave the NAT. Then we will click Advanced. And then we will choose the Intel Pro 1000 MT desktop. And this makes it easier to connect with other virtual machines in a virtualized environment. I'm going to click OK. And in the next video, we will finally install the Server 2008.